Volume matters when industry takes over. Physics quietly sorts at industrial scale. Cleaning. Material waits for conversion. Eyes faster than thought. Protection continues beyond production. Every aluminum can begins its second life here. Collected fragments of daily use await rebirth. Volume matters when industry takes over. Human eyes still guard the first gate. Flow begins with motion. Precision starts by removing what does not belong. Physics quietly sorts at industrial scale. Density transforms chaos into order. Stability ensures safe transport. Prepared material awaits its journey. Secured loads mark the start of industrial movement. Contained and ready for the road. Urban waste meets industrial purpose. Industry breathes through constant circulation. Transport ends where transformation begins. Material crosses the threshold into industry. Movement replaces stillness. Scale defines modern manufacturing. Verification secures consistency. Traceability is built into every step.
Order replaces randomness.
Placement prepares the next action.
Heavy lifting shifts to machines.
Mass yields to controlled force. Structure gives way to raw potential. Uniformity begins at fragmentation. Balance improves every downstream step. Air becomes an invisible tool. Waste exits the system. Cleaning restores purity. Contamination dissolves under motion.
Liquid and solid part ways.
Experience confirms machine accuracy.
Light decides what stays. Material waits in controlled pause. Preparation ends at the edge of heat. Here, solid history turns liquid. The threshold of transformation.
Form dissolves under heat.
Impurities rise to be removed. Purity demands removal. Exact composition defines performance. Movement ensures uniformity. Release is carefully timed. Liquid metal moves with purpose. Stability prepares the next transformation. Guided paths replace open flow. Uniformity is preserved. Form waits for substance. Liquid begins to remember shape. Heat releases its grip. A new body takes form. Accuracy checks every inch. Precision removes excess.
And the parents using our indeed prime using varsity tip.
Pressure reshapes strength. Dimensions evolve under control. Continuous metal prepares for refinement. Automation moves mass with precision. Machines inherit heavy responsibility. Strength improves without heat. Measurements guide every adjustment. Feedback creates perfection. Balance prevents failure. Internal structure resets. Heat restores flexibility. Cooling locks in properties. Uniformity is non-negotiable. Form resets for final shaping. Identity follows the metal. Material waits for conversion. The moment of purpose arrives. Precision begins at the cut. Flat becomes dimensional. Strength is stretched into form. Edges define quality. Invisible layers preserve safety. Heat locks protection in place. Every can must prove itself. Eyes faster than thought. Only precision proceeds. Consistency defines reliability.
Protection is carefully verified.
Chemistry confirms identity. Finish reflects discipline.
Approval unlocks volume. Order prepares for shipment.
Resumes its journey.
Protection continues beyond production.
Quality clears the way forward. Production meets preparation.
Order initiates motion again.
Precision guides final placement. Transportation resumes its journey. Safety seals the final leg. The journey continues beyond walls.
Preparedness accelerates output.
Consistency ensures efficiency.
And this is how modern factories produce aluminum cans from start to finish.